Welcome to Ank's English, your hub for making English learning vibrant, real, and totally achievable. If you're new here, I'm beyond excited to have you join us. Today, we're tackling a topic that resonates with every English learner out there. Ready? We're diving into how to speak English with confidence, flow, and authenticity, all by yourself, right in the comfort of your home. You might be wondering, Ank, how can I practice speaking when there's no one to talk to? Trust me, I've been there. Years ago, I was just a dreamer in my cozy room, yearning to speak English like a pro but with no conversation buddies. It felt odd, even a tad silly, to chat with myself. But here's the magic I discovered. Practicing English solo isn't just possible, it's a total game changer. With the right mindset and a sprinkle of creativity, you can start thinking in English, feeling bold, and sounding natural in no time. So grab a comfy drink, settle in, and let's embark on this adventure together. I'm sharing my tried and true tricks, my stumbles, my victories, and everything in between. By the end, you'll have a treasure chest of fun ways to transform your home into your personal English-speaking sanctuary. Let's dive in. The first step to mastering English alone is to stop waiting for someone else to practice with. You don't need a partner, a tutor, or a ticket to an English-speaking country. All you need is you, your voice, your determination, and a bit of courage to embrace the awkward moments. I still chuckle thinking about my first go. I stood in my room, faced my mirror, and said, "Hey, I'm Ank. I love starry nights." It was brief, a bit clunky, and I laughed right after. But I kept going. Each day, I added a little more. I described what I was doing, in brewing tea, in folding clothes, in feeling energized today. Simple? Totally. Powerful? You bet. These tiny phrases were like stepping stones, building my confidence one by one. Think about how you picked up your native language as a kid. No grammar rules, no endless vocab lists, just hearing and repeating simple words daily. That's the vibe you're recreating at home. Here's how I turned my space into an English immersion zone. I made my daily routine my language classroom. While brushing my teeth, I'd say, "I'm brushing my teeth with peppermint paste. It feels so fresh." While cooking, I'd narrate, "I'm chopping carrots. The kitchen smells so good." Even glancing outside, I'd muse, "The sky is so clear today. I bet the stars will shine tonight." This constant self-talk turned my thoughts into English sentences. The key? I did not stress about fancy words or perfect grammar. I just spoke. Fluency is about letting words flow, not chasing flawlessness. Grammar improves over time, but if you don't start talking, you're stuck at the starting line. One habit that worked wonders was my English thought wander. Every evening, I'd take a short walk around my street, quietly talking to myself in English. Things like, "The breeze feels nice tonight. I see dogs running around." Sometimes I'd whisper or just move my lips, shaping sentences in my mind. This made English feel like a buddy, not a burden. It stopped being a school subject and became part of my life. Now let's talk about your best practice pal, your mirror. It's free, it's patient, and it never judges. Speaking to your reflection lets you see your expressions, your gestures, your energy, the heart of real communication. I'd spend 5 minutes each night chatting to my mirror. Some days, I'd recap my day. Today was crazy. I forgot my keys, but I made it home okay. Other times, I dream big. I want to visit Sydney, surf on a beach, and chat with locals. Those moments didn't make me perfect. They made me brave, and bravery is what fuels fluency. Another favorite trick is shadowing. Ever tried it? It's like mimicking a native speaker in real time. Pick a video, a vlogger, a movie clip, a podcast, and repeat what they say as they say it, matching their tone, pace, and vibe. It's like stepping into their voice. This trains your mouth to move like a native's and helps you feel the rhythm of natural English. I'd shadow my favorite YouTubers, pausing after each line to copy them, sometimes recording myself to compare. It was fun, sometimes hilarious, but it made my speech smoother every time. Another gem, a spoken English diary. Each night, I'd grab my phone, hit record, and talk for 2 minutes. I'd share my day. I tried a new smoothie recipe today. It was so refreshing. Or my feelings. I'm a bit tired, but I'm proud I studied. These recordings were just for me. No pressure, no audience. Over weeks, I heard my voice grow steadier, my thoughts clearer. Want to make it playful? Try fake phone calls. I'd pace my room pretending to chat with a friend. Hey, guess what? I found a cool bookstore today. Their novels are amazing. It felt silly at first, but it mimicked real-life banter, building my conversational flow. Let's be honest, talking to yourself can feel weird. You might think, am I losing it? You're not. You're growing. Your home is your safe space, your lab for crafting fluency. No one's watching, so use that freedom to experiment. If you feel stuck, remind yourself, I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. Fluency comes from showing up daily, not from being a language genius. My secret wasn't talent, it was persistence. I didn't bury myself in textbooks or vocab lists. I just spoke every day, even if it was just a few sentences. Here's your action plan. Pick one method today. Mirror chats, shadowing, a spoken diary, or a pretend call, and start. Your home is your English studio. Celebrate every step. Spoke a sentence without hesitating? Give yourself a high five. Talked for a minute straight? Grab a snack. These wins add up. But wait, I've got more ideas to make your practice shine. Try labeling your world. Stick notes on objects, lamp, fridge, desk, and say the words aloud when you see them. I'm turning on the lamp. The fridge is cold. This ties words to real life, making them stick. Or read aloud from a book or article, playing with your tone like you're on stage. It sharpens your pronunciation and feels fun. Love videos? Watch a short clip, a cooking tutorial, a travel vlog, and retell it in English. The chef tossed herbs into the pot. It looked delicious. This blends listening and speaking, training your brain to think in English. Visual folks, try this. Open a random photo online and describe just one element in it. This mountain is tall and snowy. A bird is soaring above it. It sparks creativity and builds quick thinking. Role play is another winner. Pretend you're at a cafe. Hi, can I get a cappuccino? Then switch. Sure, with oat milk? It preps you for real-world chats. Or record dialogues, playing both parts with different voices. It's like starring in your own English movie. Feeling bold? Mimic accents. British, American, whatever inspires you. Watch a clip, pause, and copy their flow. It's not about nailing the accent. It's about feeling English's rhythm. Try a 1-minute monologue on any topic. Your favorite hobby, a dream trip. No prep, just talk. Stumbles show you what to work on. Apps with speaking prompts are great too. Answer questions like, what's your favorite holiday? On the spot, record, and listen back. It's a quick fluency boost. Set a 30-day challenge. Day 1, introduce yourself. Day 2, describe your kitchen. By day 30, you'll have hours of practice. Join online voice chats to connect with others, still from home. Keep an error log. Note tricky words or sounds like think versus thing and practice them weekly. To think faster, narrate live. Am tying my shoes? Am grabbing my keys? It skips translation. Music lovers sing English songs, then explain the lyrics. This song's about hope. It makes me smile. It's a creative way to speak. Visual thinkers draw a mind map, Say my goals and talk through it. I want to teach English. It's rewarding. Or play podcaster. Record a mini episode about your passions. Dreamers, plan a fantasy trip in English. In Rome, you'll see the Colosseum and eat pasta. Every detail boosts your vocab. Act like a teacher explaining grammar aloud. We use have for possession, like I have a cat. Teaching deepens learning. These ideas all hinge on one thing: make practice joyful. Your home is your stage, your mirror your cheerleader. Now let's talk mindset and tracking. Doubt can creep in. I sound awful or it'll never be fluent. When it does, say thanks, but I'm choosing progress. Before practicing, do a ritual. Breathe deep, smile, recall a win, like, yesterday, I spoke for 3 minutes straight. Track progress with a voice log. Note the date, recording length, one strength, one thing to improve, and a new phrase. You'll see growth over time. When ready, share recordings online for feedback. It's scary but uplifting. Try question mapping. List 10 questions, write short answers, then speak them without notes. It mimics real talks. For advanced shadowing, vary clip speeds, slow for clarity, fast for agility. Retell stories in your own words to build storytelling skills. Listen to recordings for flow, not just pronunciation. Try an English-only day, narrating everything. Celebrate milestones, a 5-minute talk, a smooth shadow, with small rewards like a favorite treat. With these tools, role plays, diaries, challenges, and more, you're set to make English a lifelong skill. Your home is your launch pad. Thank you for joining me on Anx English. I hope you're buzzing with ideas to speak English solo. Try one method today and comment which you loved or want to try. If this inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Let's keep this English adventure rolling.